Hello friends, today we are going to see about Standard 7, Unit 3, Population and Settlement, Question and Answer. Now let's get inside the video. The first Roman letter is choose the correct answer. The first question is Caucasoid race is also known as dash race. European, Negroid, Mongoloid, Australoid. The correct answer is option A, European. The second question is dash race is also known as Asian American race. Caucasoid, Negroid, Mongoloid, Australoid. The correct answer is option C, Mongoloid. The third question is World Population Day dash. September 1, June 11, July 11, December 2. The correct answer is option C, July 11. The fourth question is rural settlements are located near dash. Water bodies, hilly areas, coastal areas, desert areas. The correct answer is option A, water bodies. The fifth question is arrange the following in terms of size. City, megalopolis, metropolis, conurbation. Option A 4, 1, 3, 2. Option B 1, 3, 4, 2. Option C 2, 1, 3, 4. Option D 3, 1, 2, 4. The correct answer is option B 1, 3, 4, 2. The second Roman letter is fill in the blanks. The first question is the Bushman is found mainly in dash desert in South Africa, Kalahari. The second question is linguistic stock is a group of dash family sharing features and its origin. The answer is language. The third question is in dash settlements where most of the people are engaged in secondary and tertiary activities. The answer is urban. The fourth question is dash towns are generally located outside the rural urban fringe. The answer is satellite. The fifth question is dash settlement come up around a place of worship. The answer is pilgrim. The third Roman letter is match the following. Caucasoid, European, Negroid, African, Mongoloid, Asian, Australoid, Australia. B. Match the following. Sutlej Ganga Plain, rectangular pattern, Nilgiris, dispersed settlement, South India, compact settlement, sea coast, circular settlement, Haryana, star-like pattern. The fourth Roman letter is consider the following statements and tick the appropriate answer. The first question is assertion. There are numerous languages spoken in the world. Reason. The linguistic diversity in the world is vast. Here we have four options. The correct answer is option A. A and R are correct and R explains A. The second question is assertion. Palani Hills in Tamil Nadu is an example for pilgrim settlement. Reason. Iron and steel industry is located there. Here, four options are given. The correct answer is option B. Or is not the correct explanation of A. The fifth Roman letter is circle the odd one out. First one, fishing, lumbering, agriculture, banking. The answer is banking. The second one, Himalayas, Alps, Rocky, Ganga. The answer is Ganga. The third one is Chennai, Madurai, Tirunelveli, Kanchipuram. The answer is Kanchipuram.